I'm gonna do the crystal on this one. Sound cool? In the meantime, we're waiting for that one to dry. Yep. All right. If you love crystal so much, you can. So now if after we set this one set and dry and you don't want anything else, you can just buff, clean it, top coat, cure for 60 seconds, and you're good to go. But if you want to do some crystals on designs, we're gonna just do ones on this one, and that's all I am going to do. And I'm gonna using this is the centerpieces mix, and we have a few centerpieces here. Let's see what we can do with. And then of course this crystal trifecta, it will back you up every single time. If you love your crystal designs, charms and chains, and then theirs is not staying it for you, or theirs looks good when you're taking a pictures and then it's coming up and popping up in like a couple days, the crystal trifecta will definitely gonna be your bestie on every single crystal design you are doing. So we're gonna go ahead and do with condensed glue gels and a white top coat first, and then pre-seasoned glue gel we're gonna save in for the last. So I'm gonna waiting for this two to completely dry, and then we're gonna shape it so then you can see the final looks. But in the meantime, I am gonna show you is the techniques to do the crystal designs using crystal trifecta. I'm gonna using just a smaller amount, and you can add more as you needed it. Once you are going to do is more of a design, like say more crystal, more designs. This one I already did, and then we shape and buff and everything already. So apply one coat of the condensed glue gels. Go ahead and floating the no wipe top coat. So the no wipe top coat will help to not only to completely cover finish when you are done, is also will be its second layer and is double secure for all of your crystal design, charm and chains. So I'm gonna go ahead and floating right on the top, and I'm gonna using one of the centerpiece, and then my mix bag from this month, the March, no, this month is February, so but we're already in March sub box. Let's see what I got. Should I do it looks really cool. It's like can be perfect for St. Patty's as well. We can do this one. Oh, I like this one. I should do this one too. What is this one? It looks super cute. I love the metal centerpieces, the luxurious centerpieces, because if you love the crystal designs and you love all the details for your crystal, but then you don't want to take a little bit extra more time to work on all the centerpieces, this is definitely the way to go, because it's already have like more details like beads, frame and everything already. So you just like place them together and then you're good to go. So I'm gonna add just probably a couple more. Let's see what I have in here in the mix bag. I love this bag because it's had a lot of different cool centerpieces. And I'll place just a couple more here. I can't see on this side, but I'm going to check it shortly, okay? And as long as you get all, if you are doing like a really cool big centerpieces and like a cute design, place them really close and tight together. You will never get go wrong with this. And then you can add some beads on as you prefer, or you can just leave as it is. Maybe you can hide like this too. For a couple. So many different elements on that mixed bag, so I found a cute crystal that I like. All right, looking good. And then the best thing about the condensed glue gels and no wet top coat is not going to set until you are going to cure, and so you have all the time to adjusting your design. Right. Let me see under the camera. Looks good, not bad at all. Looks gorgeous. Okay, so if you're happy with this, we are go ahead and key it for 60 seconds.